Hello, and today we have here a quick guide for this Android problem. Unfortunately, Google Play Store has stopped. With this guide, you can also fix the Google Play Store, Google Play Service, Google Chrome, or Google. Depends on what is shown to your Android. For example, you are facing a problem on your Google. Now, go to your settings, and if you have this option, search at the top language and input, or by manually search for it. Now I am using Nova 3i of Huawei. May be different in your unit. Go to your system, then here you will see the language and input. Here you must disable first your Google voice typing. To get there using Huawei, click default keyboard here, then click configure input method. Then here you can see it's already disabled. After disabling these settings, go to your application manager, then uninstall the updates, and that will fix your problem. Only do this if the message shows that your Google is the problem. But if the Google Play Store, you must also do it on your Google Play Store. From your settings, go to your application manager, then search for a Google Play Store, then delete the update. Then let your phone update itself, or you can update on your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store and click on the updates. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.